May tanong kung kailangan pa ba mag-aral ng business para maging mahusay or bago pumasok sa business. Apparently, hindi ako nag-aral ng business, no? I studied veterinary medicine and wala akong kaalam-alam halos sa business. Although meron kaming dalawang elective courses. May kinuha akong elective courses sa UP noon. Hindi naman siya talaga business, pero 2 semesters nag-aral ako ng management and nag-aral ako ng economics. Ano lang yon, elective subjects lang yon sa vet med na pwede namin kunin, depende sa kung saan ang interest namin. So basically yun lang talaga yung formal education ko pagdating sa business. And I read a lot of books, no? Yung mga lahat ng books ni Robert Kiyosaki, alam niyo yun, yung mga Donald Trump, mga How to Win Friends and Influence People, yung mga positive thinking books, etc. Actually nung high school ako, yun ang gustong-gusto kong book. Meron ako nakuhang book for free, I think, dahil academic awardee ako noon. Parang naging top ako sa class namin sa Cambridge High School, International School sa Dubai. So I got some gift certificates ng isang bookstore. Yun ang kinuha kong book, I Can, ang pangalan ng book. I forgot the author, pero it's about positive thinking. Kung paano mo ima-mindset yung utak mo by repeating sentences na affirmative, na goal-seeking sentences, tapos magiging totoo yun sa buhay mo. So, yun po yung basically education ko, no? And of course, now I still continue educating myself through rereading my books na mga nabili ko before. I reread yung ilang books ko like Blue Ocean Strategy, yung tungkol sa branding, and yung may mga ilan akong books kasi dyan na nakatago. And I watch a lot of videos, no? Gary V, hindi si Gary Valenciano, Gary V na he speaks about a lot about business sa YouTube, and also Alex Hormozi and other business greats like Elon Musk. Yan, pinapanood ko lahat ng mga mga sinasabi niya, mga interviews niya, mga speeches niya. Basically, wala po akong education sa business, pero I have in my employ amongst my people, my team, mga several business management and administration graduates, no? Cum laude pa si Sir Justin Salvacion, my head of operations, is a business management graduate na cum laude, and he also was a teacher, no, ng business school before he joined my company, before he became my executive assistant and now operations head. And I also have several new hires din, no? Sila Sir John Senido, Sir John Vincent, at si Miss Pearly, mga graduate yan ng University of Rizal system ng mga business management, matatalino mga bata, mga Dean's Lister, etc. So ano po, ako mismo, I don't have a degree in business, but I have people who have degree in business. Yun ang point doon, no? You can easily employ a lot of people na may business management, marketing courses under their belt naman. And I have yung finance head ko, I have an accountant full-time, si Miss Dang, Miss Laureline Abalos. She's been with me for, I think, 10 years na yata, si Miss Dang, and several other people's accounting. So you don't really need to be a graduate sa business for you to be an entrepreneur. Pwede ka mag-start ng business mo, no? Start with something you love para hindi masyadong mahirap. Like I started breeding dogs. Yun yung una kong business nang ako ay estudyante pa lang sa UP. I start breeding dogs. Pag nag-breed ka, syempre pwede mong ibenta. Ayun, doon ako kumuha ng mga alam yun, panggastos-gastos ko. Nagbenta ako una ng mga puppies ng mga Rottweilers, then later on mga Labradors, then later on may mga binenta pa ako mga ibang mga dogs, Belgians, no? Nung nanganak si Mrs. noon, si Snooki, pinanganak niya si Miguel. Hindi ko malabas yung anak namin sa ospital dahil wala akong pera, pero ang ginawa ko, yung isang Belgian Malinois puppy ko, ay kinontrata ko na yung nagkakursunada at binigyan ako ng 15,000 kahit too small pa yung puppy para ibigay sa kanila, pero nag-advance payment na kasi sabi ko kailangan ko po ilabas yung aking mag-ina sa hospital. That was 2007. So thankful naman ako na nagkaroon akong business mind, no? And I currently employ 86 employees, 87 I think, across my businesses, Manalo Resort Hotel, Manalo K9, mga dog trainers ko, sa distribution ng SDN, and marami kami mga dealers and mga distributors na natutulungan nationwide. So yun po yung sagot ko, no? If you need a business course, kung kailangan mo bang mag-business, I think it's okay, it's very good, no? Kung yun ang pipiliin mong course, kung gusto mong mag-business eventually. But I don't think it's totally necessary kasi lahat naman alam kong mga pinakamagagaling sa business, hindi ko makilala lahat ng mga nagbe-business, so I don't have any data kung sino yung mga entrepreneurs na nag-graduate sa business school or hindi. Pero most of the people na nakita ko naman sa business, hindi naman mag-graduates ng business management or business administration. Yung mga richest people in the world like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, etc., mga Jeff Bezos, hindi naman sila nag-graduate ng business management, di ba? Hindi ko lang alam si Jeff Bezos. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, sila Manny Villar, di ba, parang nagsimula lang siya, nagbebenta ng mga isda sa palengke, tapos nag-start siya na mag-supply ng mga graba-graba sa mga construction, hanggang eventually naging developer na rin siya. Henry C, Gokong Wei, etc., yung mga mayayaman na Filipinos dito. Si Sir ayan, basta hindi naman po kailangan. I would say, no, I think yung 4 years na yon na pag-aaral ko sa business school, it's a good investment, but if you're going to do it the hard way, I think the School of Hard Knocks is a better university. Ibig sabihin ng School of Hard Knocks, para sa hindi nakakaalam, alam mo yun, yung ginagawa mo na yung isang bagay na pahirapan, nag-fail ka talaga, ayun, parang binugbog ka, yun yung tuition fee mo. Nalugi ka, nawala yung pera ng mga nag-invest sa'yo, tatay mo, nanay mo, pinahiram ka ng pera para mag-business ka. Ayun, School of Hard Knocks yun. Kumbaga, pinagbubugbog ka na. Pagka nabugbog ka na, parang marami kang natututunan sa ganung paraan. Although it's not the safest, it's not the most pleasant way to learn business, pero it's effective. Ayun, noon ako nag-graduate sa School of Hard Knocks pagdating sa business. Pero ayan, so far we're doing good naman, no? My people are doing good. I'm very happy with the team I've built. I think that's the one ingredient, no, na pinaka-importante if you build a good team. And I'm very blessed and grateful na meron akong napaka-husay na team sa Manalo Group of Companies. Yun lang po, that's my take. Salamat sa pakikinig. Doc Abel Manalo po ito. If you haven't followed our page, please do so. Kasi na-realize namin, no, 97% ng mga nanonood sa mga videos natin, mga content natin ay hindi naman nagpa-follow. Baka nakakalimutan nyo lang, please click the follow button or subscribe button and share this video kung nagustuhan nyo po yung contents natin. We're talking here about veterinary stuff, no? Ang aking tagline ngayon ay the vetrepreneur. Ayan, veterinarian na entrepreneur. Okay, so I'll be teaching a lot of things here about pets, no, animals, dog nutrition, ang aming mga dog food, SDN, yung dog training. But of course, I'll also be teaching a lot about business din para dun sa mga gustong matuto about business, and I'll be talking about our own experience, my own experience in the business na hindi niyo naman makukuha sa mga business schools dahil ito ay mga practical business, hindi lang puro theory.